Welcome to Kashmir Townhomes. These gorgeous two-story gems, completed in 2024, boast 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, spacious and delightful eat-in kitchens, a chef's dream featuring all new appliances and laminated floors. These townhomes are heated with electric wall heaters supplemented by the ductless mini-split system for optimal year-round comfort. Over 1,100 square feet of living space, perfect for day-to-day living, as well as ample room for entertaining. These townhomes sit on lot sizes of over 4,300 square foot each, close to shopping, the shipyard, the hospital, and the ferry. Not to mention great beaches and parks all around the East Bremerton area. Be part of this vibrant community of townhomes where fun and neighborly camaraderie await. Don't miss this chance to make one of these East Bremerton beauties your forever home.